when people face difficulty with cancer, they have been suffering from cancer. Most of the time they're confused about should I leave my treatment that I'm already going through, the chemo, 2 cycles, 3 cycles, radiation, etc., etc. And they cannot actually decide if they're supposed to leave the existing treatment and they are switched to the actual one, which is the naturopathic treatment. So what happens after a certain time, let's say 6 months to 1 year or 2 year later, when chemotherapy try to slowly just keep suppressing the disease, not actually cures it. So when they feel like their tumor are shrinking, and when they go through the PET-CT and other reports, so they feel very happy. They feel like, oh, I think it's working. It's hard to treat, but it's working somehow. And during this process, they keep going through the same further cycles, or sometimes surgery and radiation, stuff like that. However, slowly but gradually, chemotherapy and other drugs, especially the modern medicine, what you see, what you call modern medicine, the allopathy drugs, keep suppressing your immune system. They're putting it down slowly. If someone who is not taking enough of vitamin, minerals, and the fruits and vegetables, and enough of nutrients, then that person hardly have time to come out of a cancer. However, some people who get through chemotherapy and radiation, but on the other hand, they also take enough amount of fruits and juices, and a vegan diet, healthy protein, and sufficient carbs and multivitamin, minerals, and everything, they have higher chances of recovering from the chemo and the radiation side effects. However, the complete 100% recovery is not possible from the side effects of chemo and radiation. However, on the other hand, once you start your treatment with the naturopathy, since through naturopathic treatment, we treat the body with the natural things, because you are made of nature. You are made of 5 elements: earth, water, sky, fire, and air. So when you are consuming only naturally provided foods and fruits, and those herbs and barks and seeds and plants and leaves, which have those medicinal properties, your body and your liver, all of the sudden, as soon as it goes in the body, it recognizes it very well. So you have to understand this: you are made from nature, you are a part of nature, and you are not supposed to be taking chemicals and chemically processed food, or carcinogens, pesticides, pesticides rich vegetables, and those things which are not organically grown. What I'm trying to point out, and I'm trying to make people understand in all my videos, that it is very easy, not hard, to cure cancer with the right schedule, with the proper guidance, with the right nutrition, and actual medicines and herbs and seeds and plants. However, out of 100%, only 2% people chooses the path to go through natural treatment. Most of the patient choose alternate medicine once they have tried everything from everywhere: chemo, radiation, surgery, and everything. So after that, the chances of recovery just remains, let's say, 10 to 15%, or maybe sometime 20. And people who are really in a critical condition, and if they start the treatment with the natural medicine later, after they have tried everything, and if this something goes wrong with those patients, then their relatives or the patient itself says, see, nothing is in natural medicine. But that's not true. Someone who just got to know that who has got cancer, and gets to the natural treatment straight away, he or she has at least 85 or 90% chances to recover from cancer, if follows the right schedule and right diet, and takes medicine on time, in about 6 to 9 months. Depends what kind of cancer she has. Colorectal cancer, cancer of pancreas, and cancer of bones. It takes a longer time to treat. However, talking about other cancers, they can be cured in about 5 to 9 months. Depends if it's in stage 1, 2, or 3, or 4. So I've been helping people along with Dr. Sonakshi, Dr. Pamar, and I'm a natural healer. So just trying to, or we are trying to help people who have been suffering from cancer, trying to um, help them getting out of cancer, just making sure that no one gets into the trap of the chemo, radiation, and surgery, and keep cutting the body. There's so many people who call that, sir, there was a tumor in my brain or in my liver or somewhere in the lungs. Doctors removed the part of the tumor, but they said they cannot remove it 100%. Sometimes they remove 80% of the part, sometimes 90%, and then after 6 months to a year, tumor returns back. So you have to understand it. Tumor is the outcome of the disease, what's happening inside your cellular under your cellular or in your core of the entire body. Tumor forms when the tumor is very small, you cannot even see it. When the tumor is let's say half centimeter or 1 centimeter in size, when people starts to notice that there is something wrong. So tumor has been in the body just because of the disease. As an outcome, you see the tumor. So cutting out the tumor and not looking at the cause, exactly what's going wrong, you're just trying to I would say ignore things, or you are just trying to just close your eyes and not actually watching the actual problem. um, my guidance, so the guidance of Dr. Sonakshi, Dr. Pamar, all our naturopathy treatment, all our naturopathy team has been helping people. So just go to our YouTube channel, Cancer Cure with Naturopathy. You can watch some testimony there. And if someone wants to contact, you can contact us on our number, which is India country code +91, and then the number is 9818418286. This is an educational video just to let everybody know who has been suffering from cancer. Do not go through radiation, chemo, or surgery. If there is a life-threatening obstruction in a certain part of the body, for example in pancreatic duct, if it gets blocked, then doctors have to go through a Whipple procedure, but not before it's 90% blocked. Let's say if you have cancer in your throat and there is a life-threatening condition that your entire either vocal cord or throat is completely blocked and the air is not going through, then yes, there has to be a C-section procedure. If someone has central bronchial carcinoma or cancer in lungs, or in he has some sort of obstruction that he cannot breathe in or breathe out, in that case, yes, there has to be an immediately a C-section performed. But not in a condition wherein you just have tumor of half a centimeter, 1 centimeter, or 2 centimeter, or if it's not blocking something, then don't go through surgery. Surgery is never meant to perform straight away. Our body is not designed to get cut, and nature has a quite complex mechanism. Nature has made it, so nature knows how to cure it. When natural medicine, foods, and Ayurveda herbs and seeds, those natural things, those natural medicines meets your liver, then your liver has a checkpoint. It checks them up and then it clears them right away. So this is all about it. I'm trying to make people understand so that they can go through the natural treatment. If followed properly with the right guidance, yes, cancer is curable with naturopathy. So do contact us. The number is the same, 9818418286. It's 9818418286. My name is Satish. I'm a natural healer. Thanks for watching this one. You have a wonderful day, or a night, whatever the time is, and keep sharing the video so that we can help someone suffering from cancer. We can help someone curing his cancer. Thanks and goodbye. Do take care. See ya.